Hi my country people, how una dey? Na newspaper review tori I bring una from Naija and all over the world. My name na Omogbemisola. The before governor for Benue State, Samuel Ortom, don ask im counterpart for Kogi, Yaya Bello, make e come out for where e dey hide go answer the case wey e get with EFCC. Bello don get issues with EFCC for some time now wey make dem declare am wanted after e fail to show face for Federal High Court Abuja, where dem accuse am say e put hand for fraud wey the money reach 80.2 billion naira. Nigerian Immigration Service too put Bello for watch list as dem command make dem arrest Bello anywhere dem sight am, but up till now nobody know where Bello dey. Speaking at Redeemed Christian Church of God, where dem go at ten d Thanksgiving wey Ortom head organize for im 63rd birthday, Ortom advise Bello make e come out of hiding. E say as Bello continue dey hide go bring shame on top past governors across the country. Ortom say Bello no need to hide or resist arrest because make e go there. After all, EFCC sef na human being. If dem ask am question, make e answer dem. Law dey there. E say na many times e don try to get Bello for phone, e no succeed. Even try all the people wey surround am. E say thank God say press people dey around, dem go confirm dis one wey im dey talk. If Bello can hear him, make dem take note, make Bello come out. E no tey wey Ortom comot for office for May 2023 when EFCC invite am go office. Ortom visit EFCC office for Makurdi for June 2023. After interrogation, EFCC release am. Dis former governor come appreciate the people for Benue for their support throughout his 8 years tenure and as dem celebrate am for im birthday. Ortom say the 2 terms wey im do for office no be mine as e call on the people make dem dey pray for their leaders. Dis further tori dey inside Punch newspaper. One man wey dem call im name Azeez don jump inside lagoon for Lekki-Ikoyi bridge for Lagos after dem accuse am say e steal bags of cement. News gather say na around 10:45 for Friday morning dis incident happen. Dem say na one man dey pursue am before e go jump inside lagoon. Police person wey no wan mention im name tok say director for lasema confam to am say e receive call wey inform am about the incident. Dem rush go there to meet plenty pipo wey dey look the lifeless body of the man wey dem call im name Azeez. Na later paramedics confam say e don die. Tok for Lagos State Police Benjamin Hundeyin too confam the incident to journalists as e tok say dem don deposit the body of the man to mortuary. Dis further tori dey inside Punch newspaper. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don announce minimum wage of civil servants to be 70,000 naira. Governor tok dis one come outside dis morning wen e dey inaugurate Labour House as e name di Labour House after Adams Oshiomhole wey be senator wey dey represent Edo North and former governor for Edo State. Di new minimum wage go start from May 1st, 2024 as governor tok am. If una remember say no be today labour union wey be NLC and TUC don dey push for new minimum wage for workers across the state. Dis one follow the hardship wey subsidy removal cause for Naija. Na since April 18, 2019 minimum wage don dey for 30,000 naira, but dem say dis money no dey reach anywhere for where economic hardship dey. Dis further tori dey inside Vanguard newspaper. State High Court wey siddon for Efurun Delta State don sama Linda Ikeji 30 million naira sake of say she tok wetin she no suppose tok against the New Black Movement (NBM) of Africa. The judge, Justice Role Daibu Arima, inside her judgment today wey be Monday also award 300,000 naira as cost of litigation against Nigerian blogger as dem order am make she post another publication for her blog and national ladies dailies where she go retract the thing wey she talk before say no be so e be. Judge also warn am make she no in her life try dat kind thing again against the claimants and members of NBM of Africa. Na NBM and 3 other pipo drag Linda Ikeji go court after she no gree honour dia demand to retract di tin wey she tok about dem, wia she call dem dreaded cult group, black acts, criminal organisation and some oda names like dat. Since October 19, 2021, court say those names wey Linda call dem dey libelous and defamatory. Dis further tori dey inside Vanguard newspaper. Senator wey dey represent Edo North Adams Oshiomhole don accuse governor for Kogi State Usman Ododo say e don use immunity cover im predecessor Yahaya Bello. E say Ododo wrongfully used immunity take corner EFCC so dat dem no go arrest Bello. Na EFCC accuse Bello say e do money laundering and corruption for money wey reach 80.2 billion naira. As part of investigation, EFCC storm Bello house for Abuja to arrest am, but Ododo come Bello house the same day come visit am. At the end of the day, EFCC no see Bello arrest. Na later EFCC declare Bello wanted, but Oshiomhole say as Ododo rescue Bello and as Bello fail to show for court na breach of law. Oshiomhole tok dis one come outside wen e dey tok for international conference wey Kukah Center organize. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post newspaper. Joint Admission and Matriculation Board (JAMB) don release di 2024 UTME results. Di exam wey start on Friday, April 16, end today, April 29. Na di registrar for JAMB, Professor Ishaq Oloyede, announce di release of di UTME results for di conference wey happen for board headquarters Buhari for Abuja today. Na over 1.94 million candidates register for di exam in 118 towns with over 700 centres across di country. Dis further tori dey inside The Nation newspaper. If una gbadun dis tori, make una help me subscribe, like, share and comment so dat we go dey notify una as other tori dey shele.